I just made $512 trading with this powerful beginners trading strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I managed to do that. What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back again to my trading channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I managed to raise this account from $173, as you can see, all the way up to $685 in one single trade. That means we made over $500 trading boom and crash. And in this particular video, we've actually traded on crash 500. So we're going to go into the charts. I'm going to set up the whole strategy with you guys, and I'm going to be showing you what I was on the lookout for when I placed this trade. There are multiple setups that you can find while it's using this strategy. So make sure you watch the video up to the end so that you can get as many setups as possible. So guys, like I said, this is a beginner trading strategy, which means that everyone should be able to use it quite easily. So we're going to set it up right now together, all the steps, and we're also going to go through all the conditions that have to be met. Okay, so let's jump straight into how we can set this strategy up. As you can see right now, I am looking at boom 1000, and we're going to be using two time frames, the 5-minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame. So make sure you take note of that. Okay, so to set up the strategy, first you have to go to your indicators section. Then you're going to click on main window, and on main window our first indicator is going to be a moving average. This time we're going to have a moving average with the following properties. We're going to have a period right here of 14. So I'm going to change this one to 14. We're going to have the shift as 0, the method as exponential, apply to close, and we're not going to have any levels on this one, but on visualization, just allow it to be on all time frames, although we have agreed that we're going to be using the 5-minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame for the following setups. Okay, on our style, I'm going to choose this green color and I'm going to click done. And as you can see, we now have a green moving average on our charts. The next indicator that we're going to need is also a moving average, but this time around we're going to have a different period. This time around we're going to have a period of 50. So I just changed that to 50. The shift will remain as 0, the method will remain as exponential, apply to close, and there are no levels on this indicator again. And again, allow it to be on all the time frame so that when you switch around the time frames, you'll still be able to have your strategy in place. What we're going to change right here is the style. I'm going to change it to the red color like that, and then click done. And as you can see, we now have the red and green moving averages. Okay, this is the first part of our setup. The next thing, or the next set of indicators that we're going to need, are going to work as confirmations. Remember, as a trader, you want to have more than one thing confirming a particular setup. Okay, you can't just have one confirmation and ignore the rest. You need to have multiple confirmations of whatever particular trade that you want to make. So in this case, we're going to add our stochastic oscillator. Okay, so I'm going to go on oscillators, then find the stochastic, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. We're going to have a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high. The method is simple, and on levels, we're going to have these two important levels. We're going to have our level 20, and we're going to have our level 80. And our level 20 is going to be labeled as a buy zone, which means each and every time we get to our level 20, we want to look for buy opportunities. And then our level 80 will be labeled as a sell zone, which also means that whenever we get to our level 80, we want to be looking for sell opportunities. Once you're done, you simply click on done. And right here again, we have to make a really important note on the styling. Your main and your signal should have the same color as your background color on your charts. So if you've got a white background on your charts like me, make sure that your main and your signal both have got the white color. If you've got a black, change it to black, but I prefer that you follow the colors that I'm using throughout this video. Then you can later on customize to your own specific colors once you understand the strategy itself. Okay, Once you're done, you click on done, and as you can see, we now have got two levels down here, our buy zone and our sell zone, and we've already discussed what those are going to work as, right? Last but not least, we need to add our final indicator. So going back to my indicators section, we are going to click on indicator window 1, and this time around we're going to add the moving average. Okay, but this time the period is going to change to 10 right here. Everything else remains the same except of course the color. I'll change it to black so that it's different from the other moving averages that we have, and these will be the final properties for this final indicator that we are adding right now. So I'll simply click done, and as you can see, we have added a black line down there on our charts. Now this is the strategy that we're going to need in order to place trades similar to the ones that I showed you earlier on in this video. And if you want to follow more on these trades, remember, I do give away a free spot in our VIP signals group. And I'm going to announce the winners at the end of the video from our previous video. If you haven't watched our previous video where we were explaining the strategy on our 1 hour time frame, please make sure that once you are done watching this video, you go check that one as well so that you can improve and increase your winning chances in your trade. So remember, I'm going to leave two winners for our VIP signals group, and they're going to be coming from the comment section. So stay up until the end to find out. Okay, so right now we are done setting up our strategy. Obviously, what's left now is understanding the whole strategy. When do you buy and when do you sell, and why do you do all of that? And that's what exactly we're going to be diving into right now. So in this particular strategy, we're going to be starting from the 15-minute time frame. So each and every time you want to place your trade, you can go to the 15-minute time frame, and when your 15-minute time frame, you're just going to be looking for one thing in particular, right? You want to see the position of your candlesticks in relation to the green line. Okay, what do I mean? Whenever you are in your 15-minute time frame and you see candlesticks crossing to be below the green line, or when you see candlesticks trending below the green line, you should know that you are in a sell momentum, or you are in a sell trend. Okay, you are in a down trend. Okay, so the moment you see candlesticks now below your green line, that's the first thing that you look for on your charts with this strategy. And right here, you can see that we had crossed and we went down below the green line. You're going to switch to your 5-minute time frame and look for entries. And these are the three conditions that you're going to be looking for when you switch to your 5-minute time frame. Number one, you want to have this black line in your sell zone. Okay, to confirm the sell trend that you are seeing in the 15-minute time frame, you want to have this black line in your sell zone. That's the first condition. Second condition is you want to see candlesticks crossing to be below your green line like that. And third condition is you want to see the golden cross where the green and the red line cross each other. And once those three conditions are met, you want to enter into your sell trade. And this is actually an analysis that I've just given you guys. For those of you that have their notification bells turned on, you'll probably be able to see this video quickly and jump into this trade. So make sure that you subscribe and you turn on your notification bell so that I'll notify you each and every time I post a video. Okay, so that will be the analysis for a sell trade, but let's analyze where it actually happened and see if this is true. Okay, so going back to my 15-minute time frame, I can just come here and I can maybe predict and say, well, at this point, we would see that candlesticks were going below our green line right there, right? This is my 15-minute time frame, right? Which means that if I go to my 5-minute time frame and look for that spot or that area, I should be able to find my three conditions. And if I find them, I would enter into a sell trade. And let's do that. So number one, you can see that we managed to identify that the black line reached our sell zone, which is our first condition. Second condition is you want to have candlesticks crossing to be below the green line, which they did right here. As soon as they did in the 15-minute time frame, they also crossed in your 5-minute time frame. And then the third condition, which we said is the golden cross, whereby the green and the red line cross each other. And you can see that it's right there. So you can see that right at this moment, you were able to place a sell trade, or anywhere within this region, you'll be able to place a sell trade based on this strategy, and you can see the result of that trade. Imagine, guys, see how powerful the move was. Just a simple trade. Okay, and this goes both ways. Even if you want to catch some spikes, maybe let's analyze that as well, so that you guys can actually see that you would have ended a buy trade on boom 1000 as well and managed to catch the spikes. How do you do it? Let's see. First thing we said, you want to see candlesticks, right? You want to see candlesticks in your 15-minute time frame crossing to be above your green line. And as you can see, in that region, we had candlesticks crossing to be above our green line, and there were bullish spikes, right? I hope it's clear. Okay, like that. We've got candlesticks crossing to be above our green line, right? And I'm going to go to my 5-minute time frame. And my 5-minute time frame, I'm looking for the position of my black line, and I can see that it is in our buy zone, and we've already discussed what this means, right? And say it again, you want to have candlesticks crossing to be above your green line in your 5-minute time frame, and you can see that right there. And the final condition is the golden cross, where the green line and the red line cross each other, and you can see that as well. So anyway, within this region, you could have placed your buy trade. Let's say you were really late on this trade and you started off here. You still could have managed to catch those spikes from that point all the way up to the current position that the price is at. So either way, you still have won this trade. It wasn't a big move, but the trade and entry were so accurate. Okay, let's take a look at a different chart. Let's take a look at crash 1000 and see if you can get the same results. Okay, so remember what I said. I said if you want to be getting into buy trades, first thing is you look at what your candlesticks is doing in your 15-minute time frame, and if you find that candlesticks are crossing to be above your green line, then you know that in your lower time frame, the 5-minute time frame, you have opportunities to get into buy trades. And here is how you actually enter those trades. You go to your 5-minute time frame, you look for your black line, and you see that it's in a buy zone. Candlesticks are just above the green line, and the golden cross just occurred right here. So anyway, within this region, I would start to look for my buy trades. And again, once again, those that are subscribed and with their notification bell turned on will be able to catch this buy trade on crash 1000. I'll let you know, guys, how it's going to perform in the next video. And again, sell trades, we could actually see that with a massive sell here. The moment we started to see candlesticks crossing to be below a green line right there in a 15-minute time frame, if we went on to the 5-minute time frame, you could see that we have got our black line in our sell zone, and we've got the golden cross and candlesticks crossing there right in our region, which means that this whole sell movement, you were going to be able to catch it using this strategy. Now, remember, if you want to win a free spot in our VIP Signals group, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment something interesting in the comment section below, and you'll be able to be added to our VIP Signals group. You know, guys, I pick 2 winners on each and every video. So comment something interesting so that I can pick it up from there on. However, you can still join our WhatsApp trading platform group. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment something interesting down below in the comments section. And maybe you can send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number so that I'll be able to send you the link to that WhatsApp group. And also remember that you can join our free Telegram channel where you'll be able to find my trading setups, my trading results for my students, for my personal accounts, and you'll be able to see multiple of our trading strategies in that Telegram channel. Completely free to join. Just click the link in the description box below and you'll be able to join. Okay, guys, so In this video, we have got our two VIP winners. I'm going to be putting their comment right here on the screen. And congratulations, you guys have won yourselves a spot in our VIP signals group just by commenting something interesting down below. So if you want to be the winner next time, make sure that you comment something interesting below. This time around, the comment with the most number of likes wins the VIP. So two of the leading comments in the comment section with the most number of likes will be added to our VIP signals group, and you'll be able to trade with me each and every single day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment, and get yourself a free ticket. Until next time.